Hello friends, my name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you didn't know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Today we have another Lolita unboxing, and I thought I would let you know that today I have a blouse and pajama pants on. So today we're gonna unbox Milky Swan by Angelic Pretty, and I also got a blouse from them as well. They did a re-release, something renewal fair, and they had like a bunch of different special jumper skirt sets. I got it in the lavender colorway. I love lavender. I'm excited to unbox this, so why don't we go ahead and do that. I ordered this from Tenso, so here it is in a white box. Just gonna very gently, peek time, peek peek. Oh, I see a hanger. Boop. All right, okay. So might as well start with the blouse. I'm not even gonna look, I'm gonna drop it. So this is the blouse that I got. It's just like chiffon, and it's got some lace. It's got a cute little bow. It's pretty simple, but I think it like will go with everything. And you kind of have like this cold shoulder-ish design because the lace kind of follows down here, and it's got like this little ruffle. Yeah, I don't know, it's kind of simple. It's really cutesy, and I think it'll go with everything. Yeah, super cute. Got a blouse. Where do I put it? Where do I put this blouse? So here's the box, and we have a Milky Swan in lavender just sitting in there. I'm ready to shine today, bitches. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, there's something at the bottom. Oh my goodness. They gave me a bag. They gave me a bag. Back to Milky Swan. Oh, cute. Oh, the little ducklings. Ducklings. Swanlings? Swan babies. Here is Milky Swan special jumper skirt set. The straps are pretty thin. They got this cute polka dot lace coming off of it, being all adorable. This ribbon right at the top is not detachable, and this ribbon in the middle is also not detachable. The buttons on this one are roses. The back is sheared. Also, it comes with a bow, just kind of like a clip, and I just tend to clip it right in the middle of my freaking head. We've got clouds, we've got like moons, like subtle moons, like moons that are just like whispering moons. Are those swans flying away with ribbons? And we have castles and mountains, even like the reflection on the water of the castle, like that is some intense detail. And then like we've got these big mama swans. They're wearing crowns, and there's some roses in the pond, and there's little swanlings, little small baby swans, also wearing mini crowns. At the bottom, you have purple AP lace, and it has 2 pockets. Love it when dresses have pockets because usually Lolita bags are really small and not that practical. I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead and like try these on together just to see what they look like. Oh, I have a bow. I have a bow. All right, friends, so I have the dress on and the blouse. I think the blouse was a good choice. It can kind of go with everything, and it's really cute, isn't it? Lace and frills and bows and everything adorable. And the dress, so a few things, kind of exactly what I expected, so it's great. Of course the bust is just small as heckity. And I think these straps aren't adjustable. I only kind of like quickly looked back there, but I don't think you can lengthen or shorten them. The texture's a little bit rougher than most of my dresses. Like some of them are like really silky, but this one's got like a little bit of texture to it. I think it kind of gives it a little bit more poof and volume. It's really adorable. I love super high-waisted stuff like this, and I love lavender, and like the print is super cute. The bow is like really staying on my head. I don't need to like worry about it falling off because it's like on there. Yeah, the blouse is nice. The lace is like a medium comfort level. It's not like super soft, but it's like not super rough. And then the chiffon is just like chiffon. It's really nice and soft and smooth. But yeah, overall, like I'm comfortable. This is great. It's wonderful. It's beautiful, and I have no complaints. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other content on my Instagram or my Instagram. But yeah, I hope that you love this video. I hope it made your day slightly brighter. I don't know. Have a great day. I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my latest content. Bye.